In pairing.
So you need to press this one until you hear the prompt message in pairing. So press this one, beep, and then it will tell you in pairing. So the next thing you will do, go to your Wi-Fi setting. Okay, after that it will go to this page. So I will put this one, and then the password I configured. This one, login. See, here you can add user, this password. Me, I added already. Here, password. Example, I will add again. 999999. Confirm password. 999999. Okay. So this one should be lock number 2, because lock number 1 is having power. Okay, and then save. After that, you can check all these things here. Okay, you can manage the lock, the door station. Okay, now we'll try our password. See, 999999, and then press this one. See, it'll be opening. Okay.